Hello guys, this is Ginger Maniacs. Today I will be doing unboxing and full review of Xiaomi power bank having capacity 10400 mAh. This is how the box pack looks like. It has come with very nice packing. Flipkart does very good packing, as you can see. And let's get it out of the box. Here is the power bank, as you can see, wrapped around in the. Let me just open it for you. There are various sites that are selling Xiaomi power bank, but I think Flipkart is selling the genuine one, because I have seen various complaints on the websites, and they complain that it is not original. So these are the specifications of the power bank which are mentioned on the box, as you can see, where they are manufactured, the address, importer, and the serial number. And this is the Flipkart product ID by which you can search on Flipkart. Let me put this aside and we shall go on with the opening of the power bank itself. The box pack which I am holding is quite heavy, and I think the weight of the power bank will be also very much high. This is the user guide of the power bank. It is in English language, so that's beneficial for us, because I have seen that other sites selling the power bank with the Chinese user guide, so that is not very helpful at all. So I would definitely recommend you to buy it from Flipkart. This is how the power banks looks like. I am holding it in my hand, and it is quite heavy, but it has got very nice finish and very elegant looking, but it is heavy and not very thick, but still it looks like a premium. It looks like any premium power bank. So this is the rating on the bottom side and other important stuff engraved. So here you can see. Now this is the USB cable that is provided with the power bank. It is of very high quality, as you can see. This device supports only charging of one phone at a time. So if you want to charge more than one phone, then you will have to go with another power bank. Let's open this wrap and see what's inside. There is the power button, the LED, the micro USB, and the one USB 2.0 port. The 4 LEDs are divided as 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% charging. The LEDs, if they are blinking, that means that point is being charged, and if they are not blinking, that is continuously lighted up, then that means that point is full. So I am going to use this charger, and then I will be telling you how much backup I got and the statistical data I will be giving to you. Now I am charging it, and initially when I started charging, it was already charged to 1 point. So here you can see the second point is blinking. That means it was already charged to 25% when I received this, and now the second point is blinking. That means it is charging for up to 50%. So it is 5 p.m. and let's see how much time it takes to get fully charged. It's 11 p.m. and the power bank got charged to 3 points in about 5 hours. I'm using the charger as shown here from Asus Zenfone 5. It has a power rating of about 1.35 ampere. So I think if I will go on to charge to about 4 points, complete 4 points, then it will take around 6 to 6.5 hours. So that's all I can say. And regarding the backup, I'm going to tell you how much backup I'm getting. So after using this Xiaomi power bank for about 2 days, I got to charge the mobile 3.4 times approximately, and considering 3.4 times, when I calculated the conversion efficiency, it came out to be 69%. So the charge retention along with the conversion efficiency, it is giving overall efficiency of 69%. That is, it is giving around 7140 mAh of backup. And in charging from 30% to 100% of my Asus Zenfone 5, it took around 1 hour and 20 minutes, and in charging from 1% to 100%, it took approximately 2 hours. So that's it guys. This data was for Asus Zenfone 5, and it will definitely differ depending upon your phone and the brand of your phone and the power rating of the battery of the phone that you are using. So that's all. Thank you guys. Do subscribe if you like this video, and share it if you want more videos like this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.